Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll talk about simple blotting paper test method to help you identify your skin type accurately. Understanding your skin type is the first crucial step in creating a personalized skincare routine that works for you. So let's get started. The blotting paper method. For that, all you need is a blotting paper or a piece of tissue. Firstly, gently pat the blotting paper on the different areas of your face like forehead, nose, chin and cheeks. Then examine the blotting paper. If it picks up a lot of oil, you likely have oily skin. If it picks up some oil in the T-zone but not elsewhere, you might have a combination skin. If it doesn't pick up much oil at all, you probably have a dry or normal skin. So congratulations, you have just identified your skin type. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore skincare routines and product recommendations for your skin type. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay beautiful and stay tuned for more skincare tips. Thank you. Bye bye.